Good morning. Hello, good morning. Morning to everybody. Good
Hello, teacher.
evening. Hello,
Good morning.
good morning. It's really good to see you. Okay, are you ready for the class of today? We are 13 connected. 12 connected. Let's see. 13. We're going to wait a little bit more so we can start the class. Remember that we have one pair that didn't have the presentation. Iker and Axel Rojas, they haven't connected yet. They have to do their presentation today. Iker, are you ready to do the presentation?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see, Iker and Axel Rojas, it hasn't connected, right? And we have Luis Rodrigo de la Cruz Escobar. And we have Jose Andrés Silvestre.
Yeah, we are partners.
You're not partners?
Yes, my partner is Jose Silvestre.
Okay, okay. We are going to wait one more minute. We have 16 that you are connected. We are missing a few. Okay. I'm going to start right now by passing assistance. So I'm going to evaluate the waiting room. Okay, Axel. When I call your name, I want you to say present or here, okay? Daniel Alvarez.
Present.
Okay. Christopher Arango. Christopher Arango. He has not connected, okay. Luis Chavarria. Has not connected. Christian Chavez. He is entering right now. Okay. Diego Davila.
Present.
Okay. Luis de la Cruz.
Present.
David Espinosa. David Espinosa. Okay, thank you. Iker Letran.
Present.
Kevin Lopez. Kevin Lopez is here. He's connected, but he doesn't answer. Okay, let's see, Jonathan Mayen.
Present.
David Mendoza.
Present.
Okay. Sebastián Polanco.
Present.
José Andrés Rodríguez.
Here.
Axel Rojas.
Present.
Mateo Sabán.
Present.
José Sierra.
Here.
José Silvestre.
Present.
Santiago Ticas. Not here. Jaime Torres.
Present.
Oscar Vanegas.
Present.
Okay. And Fernando Llanes.
Present.
Okay. Let's see. Christopher Arango. Okay, he's entering right now. Okay. Luis Chavarria is not here. No. And Santiago Ticas that he hasn't connected. Okay, so we are going to start with the pairs. I want Iker and Axel to pass, please. Make your presentation.
Hello, teacher. Good morning.
Good morning. Start your presentation, please.
Okay, for
And Axel. Where is Ike? Iker, activate your microphone, please. Start the conversation, please.
Teacher, sorry. I'm here.
Okay.
Hello, I would like to speak to Axel Rojas.
yes, this him. How can I help you?
I'm calling from the Hotel Borgman to confirm your check-in. The day of the arrival is May 1, 2021. Number of adults, 2. The room type is suite and type bed king size. Is it correct?
Yes, that's correct. I that service and facility to checking.
I don't see the register of service and facility. Can you tell me again so I can register in your check-in, please?
Okay, I would like fitness in room minibar and pool and sauna.
Thank you. We will be expecting you in your lovely hotel. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
Okay, excellent. Good job. Okay, thank you very much. The next ones, Luis Rodrigo and Jose Andres. You're next, please.
We're here.
Teacher.
Okay. Okay. Hello, I would like to speak to Jose Silvestre.
Yes, it's him. How can I help you?
I'm calling from the Hotel Soleil to confirm your check-in. The date of arrival is April 14, 2021. The number of adults is 2. The room type is a single, and type of bed is queen. Is this correct?
Yes, that's correct. I added service and facilities to check in.
I don't see the register of services and facilities. Can you tell me again so I can register your check-in, please?
Okay, I would like pool and sauna, free airport shuttle, and 24-hour service.
Thank you. We'll be expecting you in our lovely hotel. Have a nice day.
Okay, thank you. Thank you for the ones that have the presentation of today. Excellent. So we are going to continue with the class of today. I'm going to present you the agenda because we haven't started the learning guide, okay? So we have here the agenda for today. The instructions of What a Life book. We are going to see a grammar coach and we are going to see the topic about the future with will. We are going to do a grammar practice and we are going to start by doing the exercise of the platform of my English lab. So you have to take a picture of that exercise and attach to all the documents that you're going to send in the learning guide on Friday. Okay, I'm going to be explaining this. The What a Life book, you're going to do these exercises by yourself because they took me one class from you on Friday, okay? So this is only about reading and making a reading comprehension about some of the words and of the story, okay? So this is happening in the series number 2. It says work in class with teacher assistance on What a Life reading book, page 26. You're going to do this on your own, okay? I want you to read the story about Vincent van Gogh and you have to send a clear picture about those exercises. The meaning, page 28, understanding the reading, page 29, and making inferences, page 29. So only those pages you're going to do in your What a Life book. Okay? We are not going to do it here in class. You're going to do it by yourself. Are there any questions about this? Raise your hand if you have any questions. Okay, Mendoza Rodriguez, you have a question.
Missing the page 28 is only the meaning.
Only the meaning. Only the meaning.
Oh,
I'm going to open the book that I have
thanks.
here. Let's see, page 28. Yes, only the meaning. The vocabulary, where it says, write the correct words in blanks, only that. The exercise that says use, you're not going to do that exercise, okay? Then you pass to the exercise of the page 29. You're only going to do 2 exercises there. The understanding the reading and making inferences. The understanding the reading is that you have to circle the letter of the best answer and making inferences, true or false. You're not going to do the questions, no. Only those 2 exercises, you take a picture of those exercises and attach them to the format of the learning guide, okay? Are there any more questions about this? No? Okay, let's continue. Let's open the book on page 28. We are going to see the topic about the future with will. This is a very, very easy topic. The future with will, okay? And I'm going to present you here a video, okay? While you are opening the book, I'm going to be presenting you a video of the grammar coach, The Future with Will. So I will be explaining you this topic. While we are watching the video, I will make a stop and making a brief explanation of the topic, okay? So I want you to really pay attention on this.
Greetings. This lesson is about the future with Will. This is a photo of my grandmother. Tomorrow is her birthday. She'll be 80 years old. My parents are planning a small party for her. My brother and sister and their families will be there. I won't be there, but I'll see her the next time I'm in Los Angeles. There are different ways to talk about the future. One way is to use will or won't plus the base form of the verb. We can use will to talk about something that we are sure will happen in the future. She'll be 80 years old. My brother and sister will be there. I won't be there. I'll see her the next time I'm in Los Angeles. Will has the same form with all subjects. I will go. You will go. He will go, and so on. We usually use contractions in speaking and in informal writing. I'll, you'll, he'll, she'll, it'll, we'll, they'll. For example, it'll probably rain tomorrow. They'll be at the party. In negative sentences, we use the long form will not or the contraction won't for all persons. They will not arrive today. They won't arrive today.
If you use a sentence in negative, you can use the both forms. Long form, that is going to be, I will not arrive today, or the short form, I won't arrive today. You can use both. And if you can see, in the future of will, we don't change the verb. It stays the same. That's why it's called verb-based form. Arrive, play, read, cook, go, it stays the same. We are not going to change the verb and pass it to another tense. No, it's going to stay the same when we talk about a future time, okay? Let's continue seeing the video.
To make yes/no questions, we put will before the subject. Will she arrive today?
Okay, when we talk about about yes or no questions, we use will at the beginning of the question. Will I arrive today? Will you arrive today? And we are going to answer with yes, I will, or no, I won't. Okay, let's continue see the video.
To answer, we can use short answers. Will she arrive today? Yes, she will. No, she won't. WH questions have this form. WH word plus will plus subject plus base form of the verb. Where will they go on their next vacation? Where will you go on your next vacation?
Okay, so we have seen this video. Now we are going to go to the page 28 of your top notch. Page 28, this page. We are going to see the grammar, the future with will, okay? So in summary, I'm going to explain very brief. In affirmative, we are going to use he will. The verb is not going to change. It's going to stay the same. He will call back tomorrow. In a future time, he will call. In negative statements, we won't be at the hotel this afternoon. In a future time, we won't be able to go to that hotel. Okay? Or you can use we will not be at the hotel this afternoon. With questions. With questions of yes or no questions, will she, remember to write will at the beginning of each question. Then the pronoun, and then the verb and the complement of the questions. Will she meet us at the restaurant? Yes, she will, or no, she won't. With WH questions, first is going to be the WH questions. Then the future will. Then we have here the subject or the pronoun, the shuttle. Arrive, that is the verb. And we have the short answer there, or the brief answer in about 10 minutes, okay? Okay, so we're going to pass to the exercise. This is going to have your points of the learning guide, this exercise. So I'm going to do with you guys together from number 1 to number 3. Then for number 4 to number 8, you're going to do it by yourself, okay? Be very careful. Where it says not be is because it's negative, okay? Remember to read very carefully. Okay, if it has a WH question, then I'm going to use the structure that appears here. WH, will, the pronoun, and the verb. Why am I telling you this? Because in the exercise of my English lab appears the sentence or questions in this order, and you have to order them, okay? So let's start doing this exercise right now. Okay, I'm going to ask for somebody's help today. So I want you to raise your hand if you want to help me doing the number 1, 2, and 3. I need 3 volunteers, only 3. Okay, let's see, Jonathan, let's do the number 1. Use your book because I'm going to put here on screen this and you're not going to be able to read what is in screen, but you have your book. So read the number one message. Please, Jonathan.
I will call.
Read me the message, all the message. Message for Mrs. Jones.
A message for Angel Mas,
Mrs. Jones.
Mrs. Calway Kayet.
Huh?
She will call back later this evening.
Okay, you can use the learn. For example, she will call, or you can use with the contraction. She'll
The contraction is she'll.
call.
She'll call.
Okay, you can use both ways. Okay, the number two. Let's see. Iker,
Yes, teacher.
can you do the number two, please? Read me the message and give me the answer.
Okay. Message from Mr. Ballinger.
Hmm?
Your college won't be at the Clayton Hotel until after 5 o'clock.
Excellent. Your colleagues won't be. Okay, excellent. Let's see Espinosa. Espinosa, let's do the number three. Espinosa Marquez, activate your microphone, please. Read the message. Espinosa,
Is missing for John trees
correct?
for balls call. He will need a recommendation for a nice restaurant for sing.
Okay. Remember that the verb doesn't change. It stays the same. Okay, Sebastián Polanco, let's do the number four.
Message from Mark Smith. Who will take us to the airport after the meeting?
Who? Yes, who will? Who will? Take. Excellent. Axel, let's do the number five.
Teacher, the number 5 is a message for Miss Harris. You want brother arrive at the airport before 6.
Repeat it again, please.
You want brother arrive at the airport before 6 o'clock.
Your brother won't arrive, okay? Your brother won't arrive. Okay, your brother won't arrive. Okay? Okay, I'm going to pick somebody now to help me. Daniel Alvarez. Daniel Alvarez.
Yes.
Can you do the number 6, please? And the number 7, Oscar Vanegas.
A message from Janice Torres. The conference call will start at 3 o'clock tomorrow, London time.
Excellent, good. We'll start. You see that is very easy, this topic? Okay, Oscar Vanegas, number 7.
Message from Mr. Park. Will I have to come into the office early tomorrow?
I have to. Okay, excellent. Good job. Let's see another person. Christopher Arango. The last one, number 8. Number 8, Christopher Arango. Yes, Oscar. Jose Rodriguez Sandoval, yes.
Can I see the answer?
Okay, say the answer. Let's see.
When will you meet us tomorrow?
Where will you meet? Okay, excellent. So now you can understand. The verb it won't change. Okay, it will stay. Look at I'm practicing future time. It will stay the same. Okay. Okay, so now I want you to enter to the platform of my English lab. I want you to go to assignments and start doing the exercise of the platform. That you have to take a picture when you finish and then attach it to the learning guide that you're going to be sending me all the pictures of your exercises on Friday, because we haven't finished yet. We have to, we will finish on Friday, okay? Can I stop sharing the screen? Have you checked all the answers? Yes? You're checking it right now. Have you all finished this exercise so I can change? I think that you're checking. I'm going to give you a few time. Enter to my English lab. Go to assignments and start doing the exercise of my English lab. The future of will. Number 1, I think that I put you that exercise there. Okay. Start doing it. You have to drag and drop the word into the correct order to form sentences. I'm going to stop sharing this. And I'm going to present it here. Let me see.
I don't find my password my user.
Find it in your email because I don't have open my email today. Put on the search my English lab and you will find there. Remember that I told you to write it on your agenda.
I finished,
Somewhere
teacher.
and something visual. Okay, if you have finished, I'm going to be
I
checking.
did my English lab exercise a long time ago.
Okay, excellent, excellent. I'm going to be checking it here. Let's see, I'm just going to present you how you have to do the exercise. So there is no confusion with you guys. Okay, let's see. Now I'm going to present it. Here. This is the exercise that you have to do. Okay? So you have to drag here to this space the words. You have to form the sentence because here is not correct. They are in disorder. So you have to place it here. Okay? Enter to my English lab and start doing the eight sentences or questions. For example, the number 1. Who has already finished? Raise your hand. Okay, Oscar Vanegas, tell me, how did you answer the number 1? What word can I drag here first? Is this a question or a sentence?
It's a sentence.
Okay, tell me what I have to drag here.
I will call you later.
Okay, I will call you later. So that is how you have to do it, okay? Like this. Start doing the number 2 from number 8 by yourselves. Okay, let me see now here. I'm going to present and I'm going to be checking the assignment. And remember that you have to go to assignments, okay? And find the exercise that I assigned to you. We are in section B. Okay, 4 students have already finished this exercise. So I'm going to see the report right now to see which students have already finished. We have Sebastián Polanco, we have José Francisco Sierra, we have Santiago, he's already done that exercise. And he hasn't connected to classes. Okay, excellent. Oscar Vanegas, remember that you have to watch the video. So you can have 100% here, okay? Watch the video that I assigned to you. So if you haven't completed the video, watch it. Yeah?
I don't know why, but when I drag the correct in the correct order, I don't know why it just like how do you say regresa, returns to the
Is going to backwards
to the to where they don't like put in the space that you have to drag it. I don't know why.
You don't know why. Okay, I'm going to be checking that. Remember that you have to watch the 2 assignments. First, the exercise, and you have to see the video. Okay? See the video. So you will have the 100%. Let me see here the report. De la Cruz, is it? Right?
Yes.
Let me find it here. Where are you? Okay, you're here. Let me view it here. Here is a question. This is a question. Okay? So here it was this one at first, and then the pronoun. Okay?
Okay.
In 2 questions of this exercise, the blocks moved randomly, so I got it wrong.
You put
I
it
got
wrong?
them wrong, but it's no problem.
Okay, okay, don't worry. I'm going to still be checking one by one because sometimes the platform confuses. Okay? Finish that exercise, please. Finish that exercise. You still have like 5 minutes to do it here in class. 5 minutes to do it here in class. Rojas Solares, do you have a question?
No, teacher, for the finish the exercise.
Okay, you have finished? Axel?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, okay, excellent. So you only have to take a picture, a screenshot about this exercise that you have done. Save that picture. So when we finish with all the exercise on Friday, you still have Friday to send it to me, okay? Five minutes to do it. Okay, let me check again the platform, so I can see who has finished, who hasn't. Let me see here. My English lab. So I will see who hasn't finished. Here I will see if you have finished or no. See section B. Only 3 students haven't seen the video. I want you to watch the video by yourselves, okay? By yourselves, you're going to watch the video. If you have finished this lesson number 1 of the grammar, the future with will, start looking at the video right now. Let me see, only 8. Okay, Janice, we are missing Janice, Jaime Torres, Jose Rodriguez, David Mendoza, Jonathan Mayen. You still have a few minutes to do it. Kevin Lopez Morales, Iker, Diego Dávila, Cristian Chávez, Luis Chavarría Calel, Christopher, and Daniel Alvarez. You have to do it right now. At what time do you have another class? Sebastián Polanco.
Yes,
What class do you have next?
we have social sciences
Okay, at what hour? At 9? At 10?
at 10 o'clock.
Okay, so you have still a few minutes to finish this exercise. If the class
Yes,
finished today at 9:40, you still have like 15 minutes, right? To do that.
yes, we have 15 minutes
Okay,
of recess.
okay. Thank you, Sebastian. So the ones that don't have finished, you have 15 minutes still to finish this exercise. Okay? You have 2 minutes to finish. No, 1 minute, 1 minute and a half. Okay. Here. Finish that exercise, please. Okay, so the topic of today was very easy. We don't have to change the verb. We leave it like that. So when we are going to talk about the future, remember that we are going to use will, okay? And it doesn't change with the pronouns. It stays the same, okay? Okay, guys. So I will see you on Friday. We are going to finish the learning guide on Friday, okay? The ones who haven't finished, finish it right now. This 15 minutes that you have of recess, finish it, please. Okay, I will see you on Friday, guys. Bye.
Hey, teacher.
Bye, guys.
Teacher, I already seen the video right now.
Okay,
So-
excellent. I'm going to be checking the platform. Bye, guys.